Presence of plastic particle pollution in human blood. Startling research findings reveal microplastics in blood. I am Edwin Williams, EJW Science and Research News, EJW News Podcast. Hi friends. Microplastics MPs from beverage bottles, packaged food, and plastic bags were detected for the first time in human blood. Dr. Heather Leslie et al. Reports in Journal of Environment 2022, pages 107-199 that they detected polymers from plastics and were successful in quantifying microplastics in human blood. The study was done in blood samples of 22 healthy volunteers in Vrije Universiteit, Amsterdam, using a sampling and analytical method, pyrolysis, gas chromatography, mass spectrometry to measure the plastic particles greater than 700 nanometer. They identified various types of plastic derivatives like polyethylene, terephthalate, polyethylene, and polymers of styrene, that is, polystyrene, acetonitrile, butadine, and polymethyl methaceylate in quantities as high as 1.6 microgram per ml. The names of these 39 derivatives themselves are scary enough to keep us away from using plastics in our daily lives. In actuality, too, these are not only scary but are public health risks. This wide opens a question to the universal health system, whether or not plastic particles is a public health risk. According to studies conducted by Drs. Vitek and Leslie in 2016, the ubiquitous nature of plastic particles poses a question of how exposed humans are to such MPs, and these exposures actually lead to uptake within the human body. The latest study reveals alarming amount of microplastics in blood and lymphatic system. Other studies also reveal that these MPs are getting lodged in the other parts of human organs like liver, brain, etc. Microparticles are previously analyzed with mu-FTIR, Fourier transform absorption and emission of a solid, liquid, gas infrared spectrum, and Drs. Schwabel and Zhang in their individual studies found them in human feces. Dr. Ibrahim et al. Detected microplastics in human colectomy specimens using mu-FTIR. Using Raman microspectroscopy, Dr. Rakesh in 2021 found polypropylene of 5 to 10 μm size in human placenta. Some MPs are likely to be localized in immune cells, proteins, and lipid particles, or vascular endothelium, the cells covering blood vessels. Direct entry into capillaries cannot be ruled out as the diameter of microparticles are 5 to 10 μm and capillaries are 5 to 8 μm in diameter. MPs can latch onto outer membranes of RBCs and may limit their ability to transport oxygen to the body. This attains added significance as they hamper oxygen supply. Microparticles less than 10 μm in diameter are able to cross the lymphatic system and accumulate in organs such as kidney, liver, and brain. Another possibility is through the insertion of plastic microtubes into blood vessels for surgical procedures including venipuncture and insertion of ports for dialysis, etc. We also have an unhealthy tendency of tearing open plastic bags of milk, water, other juices, etc. Children use their teeth to open popsicles, ice cream, etc. marketed in thin plastic bags and ingest lots of plastic particles in the process. Scientists estimate that By 2025, there will be 11 billion metric tons of plastic waste piled up in the environment. The situation is alarming. The presence of microplastic in blood and other human organs is bound to increase as long as the plastic of these things are used. Think about it and keep yourselves and your kids and family safe. Don't jump into small mistakes and drive yourselves into greater irreparable health damages. Please subscribe my channel if you have not yet done so for latest science and research news published in research journals of repute. Bye. Take care. Till we meet again with another edition. I am Edwin Williams, EJW Science and Research News, EJW News Podcast. Thank you very much.